morning. So today is day 4. So anyways, everyone is on their phone with their families and friends or whatever. And behind me is the Mekong River. Right now my hair looks so good. But don't worry, it's humid and then I'm probably gonna put it up and it's gonna look all messy. Anyway, so we're waiting to go down and get some breakfast and then we're gonna head to the factory and we have a lot to do on the agenda today. So, yeah, it feels so good today even though it's kind of cloudy. But the weather's pretty nice today. View from the front of our hotel. Yeah. First we're having eggs, bread, and iced coffee, of course. Ah, look at that. So this is Miguel. He decided to make his own Subway breakfast sandwich. Improving. Yeah. Who knows what's in there? But yeah. It's like Subway, but the Asian version.
Yep.
The chives.
Huh?
The chives and the lettuce. The spicy.
If they would have cooked it, maybe.
Give us a bite.
But the eggs was that do it the right way? You don't cut it. There.
Bon appetit, everyone. So right now we're actually working and we're walking to the cutting. I want to show you guys something. This is so cool in Vietnam. Look at that. Did you see cows like in the middle of nowhere? And it's perfectly fine. Vicky tried to touch one and it kind of ran away from her, sadly. I don't want to touch it. I'm afraid I'm gonna get kicked in the face or something. But yeah, if you can see behind me, that is the factory. 3 stories. Yeah, it's quite a workout. Anyways, gotta get back to work now. For lunch, we're here in the cafeteria again. And it just started raining on us on the way out. Like, it started sprinkling and then I'll show you guys after lunch. So, it's raining and we're here on the 3rd floor. Just want to show you guys the view. Isn't it awesome? Yeah. I like how the rain falls on this and it makes a noise. Makes me want to go sleep. So, a little update here at work. Somebody's in the office right now. My face is so tired and big. And my hair's all frizzy now. I'm in the office looking at a work in process report for our team members to, I don't know, organize themselves, I guess. I don't know. It's so complicated because so many people want different things, I guess. And I just want to make everyone happy, so I have to compromise. Anyways, that is my update. And yeah, if you hear music in the background, I have no idea what it is, but it's pretty cool.
My, oh give me love, my.